Hello, good evening, my friends. Here we will also focus on the digital circuit analysis, and we are still focusing on the how to analyze the K-map. Okay, now it's the most beautiful season of the spring in my country. Every day the weather is nice, and hopefully I can share the nice weather with you. All right, let's get down to business. From the function, we know the function contains 5 variables. So we can use this form to stand for the five variable K-map. We use the column to stand for 2 variables, and use the rows stand for 2 variables, use the column to stand another 2 variables, and we will add the fifth one, the fifth variable inside the K-map. So this is a 5 variables K-map. We can also use this thing, okay? A, B, C, D, E. All right. For the row, it's 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 1, and 1, 0. Okay, there are four probabilities for the A, B. But for the C, D, E, we will use 2 part 3, which is 8 columns. So that K-map will be quite large. Yeah, it's inconvenient to calculate and simplification. So we can only use this form K-map, which can stand for the 5 variables K-map, which is quite easy. And the most important thing is to draw the combination, all right? So we can draw the combination. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one, all right? So we can use 4 combinations to stand for or to simplify the K-map. So we just firstly to solve the combinations one by one. The first one is the 0, 1, 1, 1, okay? And 1, 1, 1, 1, okay? The first 2 numbers stand for A and B. The second 2 is C and D, all right? So by using SOP method, we can get the expression for the result. So for the A, B, 0, 1, and 1, 1, it will cancel the variable A and leave the variable B. For the CD, it is a CD because the value for CD are both 1 and 1, all right? So the simplified result for the loop 1 is BCD. Okay, now we will move on to the loop 2, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so for the AB, it's 1, 1, so it's AB. For C and D, the D is 1 and 0, so it will cancel the variable D, only left variable C. So it is A, B, C, all right? Okay. For combination 1 and 2, they only contain ones, so it's easy to simplify the loop. However, the third, combination, which is 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 1, 1, 1. So if we want to simplify this to column, we have to deal with the variable E. So first of all, we will focus on the A, B, C, D 4 variables. We can see 8 For the AB, the 0 and 1 will cancel variable B, and the value for A is 0, so it is not A. And the CD is 1, 1, all right? So it's CD. However, at this time, we should add the variable E, because you can see these two cells. This is E, this is 1, okay? So E and 1 is E. So it is E. Yeah, that's the result for the third combination. For the first one, because I have mentioned in the previous video, when we are going to simplify the K-map, the values or elements at the corner can be used or can be added into a combination together for the corners elements. So we can get these two values together as a combination, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay? So for AB, it's not A and not B, all right? Because the value for AB is 0. For the CD, okay, C is 1, 0, and 1. So C will be cancelled. We only left the value of variable D, which is not D. And we should also contain the element of not E. All right? Yeah. So that's the final results for this K-map. So we can add all the results together, which is because we are using the SOP. So BCD and ABC and not ACDE and ABD and not E. Okay, I think that's the correct result for this K-map simplification. Okay, thank you everyone. Wish you, be healthy, be happy, and enjoy the present. Bye bye, my friend.